Hi, I'm Stan from inDesign Blinds, and today I want to show you another installation. We've done a beautiful S-fold curtain. As you can see, it's a sheer and it folds in a really nice, wavy, very consistent look. And behind, we've done a series of blackout roller blinds. As you can see, they're all operated by chain. So I'll just close this to show you how it looks overall on a 6-meter window, S-fold pleat. This has just been installed, so all of this will start hanging out and become nicer and nicer over time. And there's one across this side as well. So it creates a really nice ambience. And for a very modern look, these wave fold curtains can look really good. Thank you for watching. Hope you like our blinds as much as we do.